Hi, and welcome to Anne-Marie's Workshop. My name is Anne-Marie, and I love to make things with joy. If you like to make things with joy, you found the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share, and click on the notification bell for you to find out when I drop new content. All right, let's get. This is my hashtag Friday Sews, where I tell you what I've been working on in the workshop. I have been making more reversible clothing for my hashtag Sew Reversible 2024 challenge for the month of August. I've been working with some beautiful fabrics, and that's what I've been working on. Ruching, shearing, velvet, all kinds of things. So this is my faux ruching. Thank you, Lydia Naomi, for the clues on how to do this. I've been making a reversible dress. It has beautiful chocolate satin on one side, and it has, I'm digging around in my scrap thing, and it has cutout velvet on the other side. All right, it's coming up probably next week. This week, my sew along for the Lantana dress for Mood, a fabric, a free PDF that can be, once you've completed the gown, shirt dress, if you decide to do it reversible, you can do it formal as an event. With lace peeking out below, you can put some jeans on and a camisole and rock that thing casual with a statement jacket or coat. Both sides. It's a great packing piece if you're taking it for the weekend or anything like that. So that sew along dropped, I think Wednesday. So you can go and check that out if you're interested in that. Other than that, I've just been working on reversible items. I don't want to show you them here because I'm going to show you them during the rest of the month. I'm so sorry for the amount of videos, but I did promise content every day. So I'd like to keep my word. I did go shopping as well as picked up some things from shipping. Here they are right now. Hi, so I have a little haul. I have a few things that have come into shipping. One of them is my giant jumbo rickrack in a different yellow, a deeper yellow. I had gotten this yellow, as you can see, and it does not work with my pineapple slices fabric. Wait for it, it's coming. And then I got my brilliant blue, which is wonderful for an Ankara fabric. I'm torn whether to use, I have two Ankara fabrics to use this with in a butterick pattern. I'm torn which one to use this on, or maybe both. I don't think I have enough. I think the pattern requires 14 yards and I only have 12 on this, but I'm not doing the sleeve, so I think it'll be okay. And then finally, I got my black velvet, stretch black velvet in from Mood. Of course, it's perfect. Because sometimes I have to shop for things that aren't serendipitous, that I actually need something in particular. And these are those items because, you know, I'm just not living in America. You can't get everything you want. I live on an island. Now, these items are serendipitous. I went in to buy some more of this fabric. It is currently now $150 a yard, which is not like $1.24 or something. I bought the rest that was on the roll. I had to, not fabric had to. I had to because I made a mistake in cutting out a back piece and I needed some more of this fabric. For the Audrey pattern, the Veronica Tucker Label Audrey pattern, it happens. You make a mistake. And there's no way I was going to be able to fix it and it not show. So I was talking to my sewing partner in crime, Linda, and she said, you're just gonna have to buy more of the fabric. So I went there right away because just because it was there for a while doesn't mean that the minute I needed it, it didn't sell out. And sure enough, it was the last 3 yards on the roll. So I got some more of this, cut out what I needed to cut out, and now I'm okay. All right, there was also this beautiful coral fabric on the roll. I don't know why no one didn't want it. You know, it's beautiful. Coral looks good on everybody, y'all. Coral looks good on everybody. So I don't have a purpose for it, but I got 4.5 yards. It was like $6 and something. I'm okay with it. All right, now this one, this green, I'm in love with this color green. I don't know if it's for me. I have a beautiful coat that goes well with this. So maybe in the future, something will present itself. And I think I have the sister yellow to it. I'm not gonna put them together, y'all. Relax. Now, this was the most fun purchase of the day. They had a giant mound because I need this very thin elastic. I'm going to do some faux shearing because the dress and shirts that I'm making require shearing. My machine does not like to do shearing. It does not. It does not at all. So I'm going to do the faux shearing that I learned. I think it's on Naomi's channel. I'll see if I can find the link and insert it in the description box. But it was a giant mound of this in black and white. And so I started pulling and I asked the lady, well, how do we do this? How do they do it? She said, well, you keep pulling and then I'll come by and I'll snip it. So I stood there pulling until I got, I think, the amount I need. And then she just came and snipped. Oh my God, that was so much fun. All right, that's it. That's all we've been doing this week is working on I've been getting all sorts of ideas. Dress-A-Girl is talking to me. My little girly dresses are talking to me. My jumpsuit ideas are coming. I'm talking about you, V. I'm talking about you. So there's a lot of things coming up in this sewing year that are so exciting. So I hope you're having fun with my challenge if you're participating or if you're just watching along. And I hope you're getting a chance to sew. I know it's hot out there. Stay inside in the air conditioning and sew a few things. Alrighty, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.